Hello YouTube, today I'm going to open a box of BT-08. I haven't collected any of the set yet, so whatever I pull is going to be new to the collection. I have my trash can here this time, so I can throw away the packs as I go. Oh wow, and this is the promos that you get, the Aero Vidramon. And then the box topper is the Davis and Ken. I'm not sure what other box toppers you can get, but nice, cool promos. Alright, and we're just going to go right into it. Start with the first pack to see what we get. Alright. Sanbo Dokkan. Patamon. Disaster Blaster. Keratinmon. Thundermon. Gazimon. Candlemon. Dinohumon. Resinmon Fury Mode. Gurdymon. Flamehousite. Perfect. And Yugi. Nice. I need those Flamehousites for the Mastamon. See what else we get. This is the second pack. And I'm not gonna read all the names. I'm just gonna kind of speed through it after we've seen most of the cards. It says it's been out for a while, so I'm sure most of you have already seen all the cards. But I will be pulling up all the alternate arts and secret rares, so y'all could get a close up. Lightning Blade, Snow Agumon, Skull Saruman. This is good for the Beelzemon deck. Skull Meramon. 2 Evolution, level 5 is good. Elecmon, Scorpiomon, Soulmon, Crimson Blaze, Dekari, Samadhi, Santi, Yuli, and then we have a Digmon. Alright, not bad. See what else we get. Let me see. Hopefully, like I said, I want the Armor Evolutions, specifically looking for the Magma Angemons, Exermon, his Yurimon, Hookmon, Top Gun, Senba Dokkan, Soulmon, Darmojinmon, Demimormon, Submarinemon, Crimson Blaze, a Gigadeath, and another Yuli. Alright, not bad, but we're looking for Magnamon. Hopefully we can pull an alternate art. Either of that or the Rapamon, those are going for quite a bit right now. Betsumon, Greymon, Top Gun, Spinomon, Ankylomon, Mushroomon, Genrumon, Genryumon, Kaiko, Kyokyoumon. This is a Vmon. This is the searcher for the Armor Rush deck. The Chirubimon, Ruidamon, and then here's the Shikakumon. Again, we're looking for Magnamon and the Rapidmon. Hopefully we can get them. Ultimate Branchiomon, Exermon, his Ryumon, Angemon, Aquilamon, Catchmememon, Pistamon, Marsmon, Hyerimon, Armadillomon, Agumon, and here's a Flamedramon. Not bad. That Agumon's for the, what is it called? That's for the Black War Greymon deck. So if we can also pull a playset of those, would be perfect. Snow, Ultimate, Skull, Gray, Candle, Pulse. Oh, this is a green Pulsemon. Captain Hook. Dark Giga Force, and a Wallace. The Willis. It's from the second Digimon movie. Alright, let's speed through this. Fire Rocket, Lightning Blade, Betsumon, Hawkmon, Black Automon, Retaliation, Shurimon, Bancho Memon, Imperial Dramon Fighter Mode. Nice. For the Imperial Dramon deck. See, let's just rush through these. Oh, this is a TK. It's a Tamer TK. Halsamon and another Yugi. Or Yugi. Let's just go right to the back. Lightning Dramon and a Chimeramon. Nice. Most of you have seen this card. I'm just opening this box. Like I said, I don't have any of this set, and I'm looking for Magma Othermons. Myotismon and a Digimon Emperor. And here we have the Yoki and the Rapidmon. Nice. First Rapidmon pool. This card's going for 15 right now. It's not the alternate art, it's regular, but price is going up for that card. It's a good card. Very good card. I will be doing an unboxing of the BT-09. I'm gonna try to get it the first few days it comes out, so I can have it out while everything's still fresh and new. The Shikaku mod and another Flame House site. Awesome. We need a playset of those for the Mastermon deck. If I could pull 2 more, that'd be perfect. But I will be, like I said, going for the new BT-09 set. Pick me up a box to unbox. Another Agumon and a Magnamon. Perfect. I need a playset of those. So hopefully we can get quite a few of those. I think that card has gone down in price, but it's still around $9. So Rose Veldramon, not sure if that's how you pronounce it. Probably botched that. And an Armadillomon. I believe this is an alternate art though, so we're gonna put that on the side. It's a nice looking card. Get a zoom up, a close up of that. This is the Armadillomon right there. Looking nice. Alright, now let me we're about halfway through the box. I'm just pulling off of each side. Let's see. Alright, let's just go straight to the end. Sophimon and the Ryadomon. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Ryudumon? Something like that. Hopefully I'm not botching that too bad. And then another Bancho and a Halsamon. Not what we're looking for, but we're gonna start getting into more of the alternate arts and secret rares because we've only pulled 1. Oh, here's a Hiru, and then the Uruyumon. Not what I'm looking for, but they are nice looking cards ever since they started doing the rares and secret rares hollow. Another Light Dramon, and here's another Davis and Ken compared to the box hopper. Comparison of the both. Nice. Might have to try to sell that Davis and Ken, or even just make a Imperial Drill build with it. But I need more Light Dramons. Here I put a Cody. And then I also have a another Hiru. We have 2 Hirus, a Cody, and hopefully we get to more of these alternate arts. Not unless I miss some of them back there. We've just pulled a Malomyotismon and another Yuli. I might have to go back and look at the other cards because I have not seen the secret rare, nor have I seen the alternate arts. But they should start coming up now. Metal Greymon and Ophanimon Fall Down Mold. Perfect. This is a Metal Greymon for the for the Metal Greymon, or for the Black War Greymon deck. Another Ken and Davis and a Climon. I'm gonna have to go back and look. I might have missed the alternate arts in the packs. Got a Gomamon, and then we also pulled another Dark Gaia Force. And then this is the last pack. And I believe this is... Oh wow, we pulled Imperial Dramon, Paladin mode. And then we got a Giga Death. I'm gonna look up, see if this is the alternate art. I'm not too sure. Let me check it out. I'm pulling it up TCG Player right now. Imperial Dramon. And this is the alternate art right here. Nice. Alright, let me see what other alternate arts came in here. You can usually tell by the card it's usually more textured. I don't think there's a alternate art for fire mode. If there is, this isn't it. But usually there should be more than there should be a total of 3 or 4 alternate arts. So I might have just missed it. Let me go back. Check. Can't really tell so far. Here's another other Flamehouse site. Like I said, I need a playset of those. Let me just double check all this. I'm gonna have to get the rest of the cards I'm missing. I'm missing the Magnamon. I only pulled one of them. I'm a big fan of the... I'm gonna put him on the side actually. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's regular art. Here's another Flamehouse site. Not sure how many I put. I'm gonna have to count after this. Rapid Mon. Yeah, I'm not sure. My oldest one. Which other are the alternate arts? Still have a little bit of cards to look through. I'm gonna have to pull it up on the screen here to know for sure which are the alternate arts. Let me see. Yeah, but like I said, not that bad of the pulls. I like the Imperial Dramon. I don't think he gets played. I'm not sure if this is alternate art. I'm gonna have to check into that. None of these other cards look like they're alternate art. Yeah, they don't have the texture. It might just be 3 alternate arts and no secret rares. I'm not sure. Not too sure. Let me look up this Malamaldus real quick though. He does have an alternate art. Nope, that is not the alternate art. Okay, so for sure we have... I don't think that's alternate art for the fall down mode. So yeah, I guess I'd have to look into this funny one. I don't believe that's alternate art. Let me see. That is not alternate art. Let me look up the alternate arts for BT-08 quick. see. Looking up the card list right now. Yeah, like I said, I don't know how many alternate arts come in the set. I thought it was more than what I pulled though. Let me see. For sure that Armadillomon and the Imperial Dramon are alternate. Check. You know what? I might have that Flame Dramon might be alternate art. I'm not sure. Let me check real quick. I don't remember where I placed it. Might be alternate art. I'm not sure. No, this is just a regular rare. Yeah, I think I only pulled a few of the parallel rares. Let me see. Yep, just those. I'm gonna have to investigate this because I only pulled 2 alternate cards, which is odd. I'm gonna take one more look through the pools and see if I see anything else other than. No, I'm not seeing anything. Even secret rare, except the one. Just double check this. I usually pull 3 alternate arts. Nope, none of this. Let me go back to the 3rd page. Wow. Might have just got very unlucky and got really bad pulls for alternate arts this run. Yeah. Alright, guys. Well, that's unfortunate. I'm gonna have to check the price on the Armadillomon too, because I'm not sure how much he's worth, but only pulling 2 alternate arts is really gonna hurt me trying to get some of the value back out of the box. Yeah, just those. Okay, let me just put these away for now. I'm gonna set it up to the side, and I'm gonna pull up the price for that alternate art Armadillomon. I don't know if anyone plays that, or if it is worth anything. Let me check it out real quick. Alright, pulling it up right now. That alternate art is worth a whopping $7. Alright guys, well that's my BT-08 opening. A little depressing, but hopefully next box is better. Alright, thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, thanks guys.